Now to basically see how to present your Excel data, so I'm going to add the next slide using Control M. So Control M is a shortcut key for the new slide. But if you use Control M, it's going to take the previous layout. So in this layout, I want the title slide, and I don't want title and content. So I'll go to Home. I'll go to Layout. There's an option of Layout and change the existing layout rather than deleting and inserting again. I can change the layout. So I'm making it title only and giving the heading as Excel Data Part 1. So today I'm going to discuss about how to present your Excel data. So there are basically 3 ways and 3 scenarios. So I'm going to discuss one by one, and according to your need, you can basically display your Excel data. Generally, it has been required to present your Excel data in PPTs. So how to show them? So the first option, suppose I have this file, Excel file named as invoice, in which I have few data, which is like representative, invoice number, date, account, customer, quantity, selling price, cost price, and next. If I have to only display the few data, like maybe these few columns, so the copy paste is the best thing. So I'll just simply say Control C. If I have to display only few columns and few rows, and I'll go to my PPT, you have to use title only layout and say paste it. Once you paste it, it's pasted as a table. How I'm going to get it is coming as table design. Can you see on top? It's coming as table design and layout. From that I get to know it's a table format. Now the table looks less formatted. How to basically make it more meaningful and presentable? So few steps which you have to do. Go to table design. Again, according to the version it will come, might be table design or design. And then you have to use first the header row. As soon as you choose header row, you will see the header becomes of the darker color. And use the option banded rows. Banded rows means every next row will be colored. Every alternate rows. Fine. So this is basically the usage of header row and the banded row. You can choose any colors according to your wish. The next step which I'm going to do, I'll go to layout. In layout, there's an option of distribute columns. What exactly it is? I have a column which is of different width, but I want the column width to be same. Instead of doing it, which I've seen a lot of people, they were doing it manually one by one. Instead of doing it manually, I have to just press this button, distribute columns. It comes in layout. If you click on distribute columns, all the columns are of same width now. And you can use the merge, you can use the center, and in home I can simply increase the font size. Increase the size of the table, and yes, it looks perfect if you have to display the small set of a table. So this was basically Excel data part 1. I'm again pressing Control M, and the second way, Excel data part 2. In this case, I have a big file and maybe I want to show some pivots or something, So then I'm going to use the hyperlink. So this is like Excel data part 2. First, I've used the copy paste. The next, I'm making now as title and content. And over here, suppose I'm saying click here. Or maybe the file name. My file name is invoice. I'll click on the invoice, and in right click the option comes link, or the shortcut key is Control K. Link or hyperlink option will come. I'll browse my file. And if I click on OK, so it becomes a blue and the underline. It means it's already hyperlinked. It's going to work on the slideshow. To go to slideshow directly, I'll press Shift F5. Now if I click on this invoice file, you will see from here, the file is going to open as a link. Fine. Basically it's a hyperlink. So Excel file is going to open over here. And this is my PPT over here. And I've opened the Excel file. So if suppose I'm sending this PPT, I have to send this Excel file also. So if in your PowerPoint, you have hyperlinked 2 files, you have to send these 2 files also. Otherwise, the link will be lost. So this way I can present my second way. First is the copy paste. If you have to present only the specific data as a table. The second is hyperlink. Let's see other ways. So hyperlink can be done on any shapes or any website also. So if I am selecting some shape and I'm saying click here, and I'm saying hyperlink. Over here the option is address. So if I can give any websites, I'm choosing Google only. You can specify your company's website. If you click on OK, now I'll again press Shift F5. If I'll click on this shape now it will directly take me to the google.com. So you can basically connect with your company's website or any specific website you want to show in your presentation. You can use this hyperlink option in the address one. Now the third option of the hyperlink is within this presentation. So I want to basically I want to create a link to slide number 2. So I'll just write maybe slide 2, Control K, and the option comes place in this document. If you use the second option, place this in document, all the slides are coming, and over here the slide numbers are coming 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'll just press 2. I'll click on OK. So it's a hyperlink with slide 2 of the current presentation. Now I'll go to slideshow, and if I click on now the slide 2 for the existing PowerPoint, it will take me to the slide number 2. So within the presentation also you can create a hyperlink. Now I'm pressing Ctrl M, and the third option, which is Excel data part 3. How to present the Excel data part 3, and the most used one, I'm making the layout as title only. This is called insert object. So in this case you don't have to send the Excel file separately. You can basically present over here. So click on insert and the option will come object. Many a times the icon will come rather than the text. I'll click on object. I'll create from file, browse my folder, and I'll choose the invoice file, click on OK, and now I'll use this small option display as icon. So instead of entire file, the icon will be displayed like this. I'll click on OK, and yes, we got the icon of the Excel file. And now if I'll double click on this icon, the Excel file will be opened. Hope you guys like this video. So there are 3 ways. One is as the table format, which you do the copy paste. The second is the hyperlink, and third is the object. In object, it's not required to send the Excel file. It is a part of PPT. Yes, the file size will be increased. So you have to see according to the scenario which option you have to use it. If you have any question, please write, guys. I'll be happy to see in your comment. If you have any question, any doubt, please ask me. I'll be happy to address it. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Keep connected for my next video.